We're being told that the big rig did not stop. It kept driving, and now CHP is searching all over LA along the freeways to try to find a big rig that is towing a mobile home that has a roof that's missing on it.
Only in Los Angeles. Hey, this is Alex Maya with Mother Trucker News. Just hours ago, a semi truck hauling a mobile home just hit a bridge in Sun Valley and just kept on going. Lanes were closed, but now they are currently open. Los Angeles is looking for a big rig, they say, with a house on it, right? A mobile home with the roof cut off.
Private Sheldon in Sun Valley. It was a big rig that was basically hauling a mobile home, and the top of the mobile home was a little too tall, and it damaged the overpass here. Apparently ripped off the roof of that mobile home. Now, CHP and Caltrans did an amazing job getting all of that cleaned up, but I'm zooming in here on the section where you can see there's pieces of concrete missing. We're being told that the big rig did not stop. It kept driving, and now CHP is searching all over LA along the freeways to try to find a big rig that is towing a mobile home that has a roof that's missing on it.
So that's what they're going around looking for right now. As someone that's in the mobile home carrying business, tell me, mother truckers, when you're doing wide loads like this and tall loads like this, what did this truck driver do wrong? And clearly, one of it was definitely measuring the height. Definitely things like this, it can be crazy. Are you supposed to have escorts? What mistakes can we learn from this? One thing's for sure. If you hit a bridge with a house on your truck, you should stop. I'm just saying that because, look, accidents do happen. You might get fired from your job and your insurance might go up. But then if it's an accident, it's an accident. But in this situation, now the city of Los Angeles is looking for a semi-truck driver with a mobile home on it that has the roof cut off. I mean, they're going to find you. It's craziness. But mother truckers, that's your update of what just happened hours ago. So, I'm not telling you to snitch on the guy or not, but if you see a truck driver with a mobile home on it and the roof is cut off, you know what happened. Mother truckers, comment down below.